To experience GanttPRO collaboration features to the fullest, we encourage you to invite team members to your projects. One of the GanttPRO strengths is its real-time updates for all project participants. It means you don't have to reload your page to see changes. Moreover, with your team members, you can explore and effectively use such sections as the Communication Hub, Workload, and others. To invite new members to your account, let's navigate to the Account Settings. Here, select the Team and Resources tab and click on the Invite by Email button. You can type and paste email addresses into the following area. You may also change their default account role. If necessary, you can assign new users to the projects straight away. Basically, they will possess a project default role that is defined in the Account Settings in the Project Rights tab. After pressing the Invite button, invitations are sent to users' email addresses. Once they accept the invitation, their status in the account settings will change to active.